In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily save all photos from your iPhone for the Album to Notes app. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. And of course, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started. And first off, open up Photos app. Then tap right here to head over to Albums, and then just get into an album. Photos from which you would like to share. After that, tap at 3 dots and tap at Share Photos. Then we can swipe left or right. And as you can see, all the photos from the particular album are selected. However, we can unselect some photos that we don't want to be shared. After that, scroll down a bit. Then drag these up icons until you find Notes. And that's where we can create new note with all the photos attached. We can add some text right here, and once it is done, just stop at Save to save the note. Then if we go to North, we'll be able to find all these photos shared to the particular note. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button